Hello student. In last lecture we see some swing components. So in this lecture also we see some extra swing components. The learning outcome of today's video, first we see J button, then next we see J checkbox, and then last we see the J radio button. So these are the learning outcome of today's video. First we see the J button. It is similar like to AWT button. Simple, it create one button. When we press the button, some event is occur. So let's see the J button. The J button class provide the functionality of push button. You have already seen a simple form of button in the first chapter. So it is similar to AWT button. Some graphics and functionality and look of button is different than AWT. The J button allow an icon and string or both to be associated with the push button. So this is one extra features of button. You can also add the icon on button with string. Next we see constructor of button class, J button class. First constructor, it is default constructor which not have any parameter, and it is create a button with no text and no icon. Second constructor, J button, which have one parameter string s, which is used to create a button with specific text. Third constructor, which also have one parameter object of icon, image icon, it create a button with specific icon object. And last constructor, which have two parameters string and icon. It is used to create button with specific text and specific icon object. So icon is one another class used to create the image object, and we can insert the image by using that class. So these are the constructor of J button class. Next we see some common method used in J button class. First method is set text, which have one parameter string s, and this method not written any value, so return type of this method is void. This method is used to set the specific text on button. Next method, get text. This method not have any parameter, but this method return the string value, so return type of this method is string. This method is used to return the current text of the button. Next, third method, set enable, which have one parameter. Parameter type is boolean, either you pass true or false. And this method not return any value, so return type of this method is void. And this method is used to enable or disable the button. So if you pass true, then the button is enabled, and if you pass false, that time the button is disabled. Next method, void set icon, which have one parameter icon object, and this method also not return any value, so return type of this method is void, and this method is used to set the specific icon on the button. Then next method, get icon, which not have any parameter. This method return the icon object. It is used to get the icon of the button, so it return the image object of the button. Next we see one example of J button. Simple example, the program for J button. First we import the swing package, then we define one class button example, then we define main method public static void main string argument. Next we create one object of JFrame with title button example, so we pass the string in the constructor of JFrame. Next we create one button, J button B. B is the object of button, and with title click here. So one button is created and the title of the button is click here. Next we set the position of button by method setBound. Next we add the button in frame. Next we set the size of size of frame by method setSize. Next we set the layout of frame by method setLayout, and then we set the visibility of frame by method setVisible. So this is simple program to create button, and the output of program is display like this. One frame is created with title button example, and one button is created with string click here. So this is simple example of button. Next we have some MCQs. First MCQ, select the wrong declaration of method. The options are void set text and have one parameter string s. Second option, string get text, no parameter. Third option, icon get icon, and last option, void get text, parameter string. So the last method declaration is wrong because get text method have one which return one value, string value. So void is not return type of get text method. Next MCQ, dash dash class provide the functionality of push button. First First option J combo box, second option J button, third option J list, fourth option all of above. The answer of this question is J button. J button class provide the functionality of push button. Last question, J button allow an icon, comma string or both to be associated with the push button. The statement is true, so answer of this question is true. Then next we see the checkbox, J checkbox. It is also similar like to AWT. The checkbox class is used to create a checkbox. Small square is created with option and you can select the checkbox. It is used to turn an option on or off. If the option you select the checkbox, that time it have the state true, and if you not select, that time it is false. So it is similar like button. Click on checkbox, change its state from on to off or from off to on. The JCheckbox class inherits from JToggleButton class. So superclass of JCheckbox class is JToggleButton. The constructor of JCheckbox, first constructor is default constructor, which creates an initially unselected checkbox button with no text and no icon. Second constructor of JCheckbox, which have one parameter string s, which create an initially unselected checkbox with specific text. Then third constructor of JCheckbox, which have two parameter string text and second parameter is boolean, which create the checkbox with text and specifies whether it is selected or unselected. So the second parameter, if you pass true value, that time it is initially selected, and if you pass false value, that time it is initially unselected checkbox. Then last constructor J checkbox, which have one parameter action object create, which create checkbox where properties are taken from an action specified. So this is about J checkbox. Next, we have one example of JCheckbox. The program for JCheckbox, first we import the Swing package, then we create one class checkbox example, then we define the constructor of class, Then we create one frame with title checkbox example. Then we create one checkbox with string C++, and then by method setBound we set the position of first checkbox. Then we create another checkbox with title Java, and we use the third constructor which have two parameters. First is string Java and second is boolean value. Here we pass the true. So this checkbox is initially selected. Then we set the position of second checkbox by method setBound. Then we add both checkbox into frame. Then we set size of frame by method setSize. Then set the layout of frame. Then set the visibility of frame. Then we define main method public static void main string argument, and then we create one object of checkbox example class. So this is simple program to create checkbox, and the output of program is displayed like this. The one frame is created with two checkbox. You can select the checkbox by click on the square box. So this is simple example of J checkbox. Next we see the JRadio button. It is another one component which is not present in AWT package, and it is new component in Swing. In AWT we create the checkbox group to form the radio button, but in Swing there is separate class is created for radio button. First the JRadio button class is used to create radio button. It is used to choose one option from multiple options. It is widely used in examination systems or quiz. It should be added in button group to select one radio button only. So simple example of radio button, when in many forms, when you sign up, that time one option is there, gender, and in that option we can select only one option. Okay, so in such place we use the JRadio button. Then we see the constructor of JRadio button. First constructor is default constructor which not have any parameter, which create unselected radio button with no type text. Second constructor which have one parameter string s which create unselected radio button with specific text. Third constructor JRadio button which have two parameters string and boolean true create an radio button with specific text and selected state. Then example of JRadio button program for that. First we import Swing package, then we define one class radio button example, then we define constructor of that class. Next we create one frame with no title, then we create one JRadio button. R1 is the object of JRadio button with title male. Second we create another radio button R2 with second option female. Then we set the size of first radio button by method setBound, and similarly we set the size of second radio button by same method. Then we create one object of button group. So button group is another class in Swing, and we can add the button uh, both radio button in that group. So to add the radio button in group, we add BG. BG is the object of button group dot add R1, and similarly we add the second button in that group. Then we add radio button in frame. Then we set the size of frame. Then we set the layout of frame by method set layout. Then we set the visibility of the frame by method set visible. And at last we define the main method public static void main string arguments. One object is created of class radio button example. So this is simple program to create two radio button and add in the one button group. So output of this is display like this. one frame is created with no title because we not pass any value here in constructor of frame. Then two radio buttons are displayed, male and female. Okay, so this is simple example of radio button. You can create multiple radio buttons and by groups. Next we have some MCQ. J checkbox inherits dash dash class. First option is J toggle button, second option component, third option applet, fourth option none of above. So answer of this question is toggle button. J checkbox inherits J toggle button class. Next second MCQ, J checkbox string S create an initially dash dash checkbox with text. Options are selected and second option is unselected. Answer of the question is unselected. Third, J radio button class widely used in examination systems or quiz. The statement is true, so answer of this question is true. So this is all about the J radio button, J checkbox and J button. Thank you.